step into the Mitsubishi 2022 Outlander SEL. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, all-weather package, protection value package, SEL touring package, welcome package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system and radio, AM/FM 9.0 navigation with smartphone link. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.